Hello everybody, welcome back to the HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you and explain the Smart Island to you on the Oppo Find X9 and X9 Pro. So, if you're using the Oppo Find X9 or its Pro variant, then it's called Aqua Dynamics. And what it does, it shows like a capsule or a bubble type animation and can display a lot of things like ongoing media playback, so let's say Spotify, active timer or stopwatch, screen recording, and of course the call status. So you need to make sure that the software is updated first. So let's go to settings, then system and update, and go to software update. Make sure that you have the ColorOS 16, and after that what you guys can do is play some music. So let's enable some songs. Now, as you guys can see, here we have it at the top. We can click on it, and here we've got information. We can change our sound right here, so from the phone to, let's say, anything else. As you guys can see, we can connect to another device. Now here we can like and unlike the song, and here we can just open up the Spotify. So what you guys can do next is show, let's say, the active timer. So let's go over to the clock. Let's go here, and we're gonna start off with a, let's say, 17-hour 15-minute timer. Now let's click start and leave the app. As you guys can see, let me quickly stop the music and do it again. Maybe we should lower the time, so for an example I'll set it to 15 minutes. Now as you guys can see, we have 14 minutes. We can see that our timer is now working. We had too much time on the timer and it just won't show it if it's too much. Now as you guys can see, we have the timer right here, but what about the stopwatch? So let's open up the app again, go to stopwatch, and start tracking the time. As you guys can see, we still see the timer, but once we click here, we will have the stopwatch, so we can hide it. And now we only have the stopwatch. As you guys can see, it's counting our seconds. We can go here and stop it, or we can stop it directly from the dynamic island. So what you guys can also do is screen record, and you will see it on your dynamic island. So let's go to the control center and let's start screen recording. I'll record the system sound only, click start recording, and as you guys can see, here we have the dynamic island that tells us how many seconds of the recording we're in. So here we can stop it. Here we can change the system sound and the microphone sound. As you guys can see, this is how we can do it. Now here we can stop the recording just by tapping on it on the dynamic island. So now it's saved to photos, and here we can click to see what we have recorded, and we can see everything that we did. So this actually shows the full apps, so it doesn't show the full apps, and it's meant for status and ongoing things rather than any app that's just a free placement on your phone. Also, it may not support a lot of third-party apps, so as you guys could see, it will definitely support it, the Spotify. But as we know, Spotify is a big app, and if you're using an app that isn't known that much, like Spotify, then it might take some time for you to get it and to make it work and support. So that'd be it for the video. I hope it was helpful. If it was, then leave a like, subscription, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.